Craving ice cream but want to keep it healthy? Today, we're making a delicious and guilt-free healthy homemade ice cream using just a few simple ingredients. Let's get started. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need frozen bananas as the base, a splash of almond milk, and your choice of flavoring, like vanilla extract, cocoa powder, or fresh berries. The bananas will give the ice cream its creamy texture without any added sugar. Place the frozen bananas into a blender or food processor. Add a small splash of almond milk to help it blend smoothly. Start blending on low, gradually increasing the speed until the bananas break down into a smooth and creamy consistency. If you're adding flavors, now's the time. Toss in a spoonful of cocoa powder for a chocolatey treat or a handful of fresh berries for a fruity twist. Blend again until everything is well combined. Once blended, check the texture. If it's too thick, add a little more almond milk and blend again. You want it to be creamy and scoopable, just like traditional ice cream. Scoop the ice cream into bowls, and if you're feeling fancy, add some healthy toppings like chopped nuts, fresh fruit, or a drizzle of honey. For a firmer texture, you can place the ice cream in a container and freeze it for an additional 1 to 2 hours before serving. And there you have it, healthy, homemade ice cream that's creamy, delicious, and completely guilt-free. Enjoy this treat anytime, without worrying about added sugars or artificial ingredients. Try it out with your favorite flavors and let us know how it turns out.